Hello, and welcome to Learn English with Conversation. Today, you'll learn how to talk to somebody at a bus stop. We'll listen to a conversation between two people waiting for a bus. Then, we'll look at useful phrases you can use in real life.
Excuse me, do you know if the number 25 bus is already gone?
I don't think so. It usually comes every 15 minutes. The last one passed about 10 minutes ago, so we should see another one soon.
Oh, good. I was worried I had just missed it.
Don't worry, you're fine. Where are you heading?
Into the city center. I'm meeting a friend for lunch.
Nice. I work near there, so I take this bus almost every day.
Do the buses usually run on time?
Most of the time, yes, but during rush hour, they can be late.
That makes sense. I'm not from around here, so I wasn't sure.
Oh, are you visiting?
Sort of. I moved here recently, and I'm still figuring out the transport system.
You'll get used to it quickly. The bus app is really helpful. It shows live arrival times.
Thanks. I'll download that.
At least the weather isn't too bad today.
True. It's a bit chilly, though. Do you think it will rain later?
The forecast said it might drizzle in the afternoon, so you may want to carry an umbrella.
Good advice. I forgot how unpredictable the weather can be here.
That's Britain for you. Sun 1 minute, rain the next.
I'll have to get used to carrying a jacket everywhere. Is the city center nice? I've only been once so far.
Oh, definitely. There are lots of shops, cafes, and a big park.
That sounds lovely. I love parks. It's nice to have some green space in a busy city.
Exactly. And if you like history, there's a museum near the bus station. It's free to enter.
Oh, I didn't know that. I'll check it out.
You should. It's one of my favorite places.
So, you take this bus every day for work?
Yes, I work in an office near the river. It's only a few stops away.
That must be convenient. Do you like your job?
It's all right. Busy sometimes, but I can't complain. What about you?
I'm looking for work at the moment. I used to teach back home, so I might try to find something similar here.
Teaching? That's great. There are always language schools looking for teachers.
It feels like we've been waiting a while.
Yes, it's running late today. Sometimes traffic causes delays.
Oh, right. Does it get very busy at this time?
Not too bad now, but after 5 p.m. it's packed. You can barely get a seat.
I'll try to avoid rush hour then.
Smart idea.
Ah, here it comes.
Finally. Let's hope it's not too crowded.
Yes, fingers crossed. Thanks again for all your help.
No problem at all. It was nice chatting with you.
Same here. Have a good day at work.
And enjoy your lunch in the city.
Now, let's look at some useful phrases from this conversation. Excuse me, do you know if this bus stops here? This is a way of asking politely for information. Example. Excuse me, do you know if this bus goes to the train station? How often does this bus come? Asking about frequency. Example. How often does this bus come on weekends? I was worried I had just missed it. A way of expressing concern. Example. I was worried I had missed the last train. Where are you heading? This is an example of friendly small talk. Example. Where are you heading this morning? I'm not from around here. This is a way of explaining why you're asking questions. Example. I'm sorry, I'm not from around here. Could you tell me where the library is? The bus app is really helpful. This is a way of recommending something. Example. The train app is really helpful. It shows live updates. Do you think it will rain later? This is a natural way to start small talk about the weather. Example. Do you think it will rain later, or should I leave my coat? That's Britain for you. This is a casual expression about typical behavior or conditions. Example. That's buses for you. Always late. Does it get very busy at this time? This is a way of asking about crowds and timing. Example. Does the train get busy around 6 p.m.? It was nice chatting with you. This is a polite way to end a conversation with a stranger. Example: it was nice chatting with you. Have a great evening. This brings us to the end of today's lesson. Now you know how to start a polite conversation with a stranger whilst waiting for a bus. You can use this in other situations also. You can practice and learn how to use these useful phrases in real life. Thanks for watching Learn English with Conversation. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next lesson. Please check out the other videos in this series for more natural conversations in different scenarios.